History, you made it. Congratulations, made it to the end of the year. Pretty challenging year, I'd say, right? Kind of threw a wrench in the middle of our year there with this weird time going on. But you guys did very well. You overcame it. You did great. Yeah, even though we might not have gotten as far as we probably would or as in depth as we would if we had, normal classes, 5 days a week, all of that. Clearly, we're not going to learn or get as much done during this distance learning time, but I think that we did a pretty good job kind of trying to move along quickly, hit some of the important stuff. And I really think that a lot of you guys will probably learn more through this experience than even what the classroom is going to teach you. Learning to adapt to new situations, challenges. You guys are living through history in the moment here. So, really, I think this probably is a pretty big learning year for all of you guys, for everyone, including myself. So it's it's been a weird year, but I think it's gonna benefit us all in the long run. As far as your end of the year procedures go, I'll be around on checkout day. You guys don't have to turn in anything for me. I have all your books here. You didn't take them home. You didn't have any stuff for me, so you don't have to come and turn in anything to me specifically, but it would be nice to see you. I'll be around, so I might be wearing a mask, but come say hi. Let me see you before the summer hits. Otherwise, if you see me around during the summer, make sure you yell hi. And luckily for you guys, I get to have you again next year. At least as of now, I'm doing 8th grade geography still. So I get to have you again. It's going to be great. I missed the extra time that I would have gotten to get to know you guys a little bit better. But, we'll make up for it. And I think that I gotten to know quite a bit of you even better than I might have in the classroom over talking to you guys on Schoology, seeing videos here and there. It's been great. So thanks for adapting to this and, kind of struggling through. Even if it was a struggle for you, you made it. So congratulations on at least, completing this weird time. And hopefully by the fall, we're kind of back to normal. It seems like we're starting to head that way. Hopefully this summer gets a little bit more back to normal so that you guys can go and enjoy yourselves and take this much needed, much deserved break that you guys get here. As far as what your final assignment is, you just need to make sure that you go back and remember to watch and finish that Ed puzzle on the Civil War. All right, it's a longer one. I have had a couple questions on the actual questions about the Ed puzzle video. The video the questions for that video I've tried to make a little bit harder because you're only covering Civil War one time. All right. And don't worry if you feel like you don't understand them that well. Don't worry if you feel like you're a bit confused here or there. You're covering a huge section of history in 45 minutes. In our normal classes, we would take 1 or 2 weeks on this stuff. So we're really trying to cram it in, and this one video isn't going to get you to know it all by heart. You're not going to understand it completely through just one video, but I tried to make the questions as, to see how much you are understanding. All right, so if you don't do great on this one, don't worry. All right, I'm not gonna, crush your grade because of it or anything like that. You guys are gonna be fine in that realm, but just try your hardest. All right. A couple things to think about is when you're answering those questions that you make sure to read each selection. They're all multiple choice, so make sure that you read through those because you'll be able to eliminate some. All right, I made sure that I tried to throw some that were maybe a little obvious that they wouldn't be the correct answer or not. But otherwise, just try your hardest. Message me on Schoology if you have any questions. But otherwise, great job this year, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again next year. Hope you have a great day. If I don't see you on checkout, I hope you have a great summer. Make sure to say hi. I'll probably see you guys around town, hopefully. Otherwise, have a good one. Can't wait to see you again next year. I'm hoping that we're back to normal. Otherwise, great job this year. I really enjoyed your guys' class, and I can't wait to spend more time with you next year. Have a good one, and peace out.